Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe.
I see something. Let's see what it is. So everyone's asking if we make money on our videos and stuff, and a lot of the times, no, we don't, because our music's copyrighted. So we'll throw in a beat here and there that we make. Jordan bought a little drum set. He's got a keyboard too, so hopefully we'll be making more beats. Yeah, Jordan? So we'll be making that YouTube money.
Josh is gonna be rapping over it.
I just gotta figure out a rap name now. Maybe like Lil Foreskin. Yeah, maybe let's set this thing up. I'm kind of juiced. I have no clue how to even use drums, dude. Yeah, so this is our setup that we use right now. We use DaVinci for editing our videos, and then FL Studio for beats. Like a lot of people have been asking. We made this beat. That's actually me.
Yeah, it's actually
Yeah, so we got some of our equipment over here, and it's just getting kind of cluttered, especially because Jordan just got the drums. We just got this keyboard. I think we're gonna move into a different room. We've been using all these instruments too.
We've been making beats with like these MIDI stuff. So this is for like keys, and this is for like the percussion. Shout out to RJ, thanks. He gave this to me for Christmas. But I got some electronic drums, and we're gonna probably move into the other room.
Yeah, let's go show the other room. It's gonna be kind of a project, actually. So this is more so my storage slash I'm too lazy to go upstairs, sleep down here room. But this is where I store all my shoes, and that'll be for another.
You guys want a shoe collection video?
Yeah, let's see how many comments down below we can get to do a shoe collection video. Because I've got like a bunch of stuff, and I don't know, not a lot of people are into shoes nowadays, but I am. I love shoes, but I don't know if it's something that people want to see. But we're gonna get all this stuff out of here. I don't know, we'll do what, a time lapse or something? Yeah. Want to get a bike now,
I don't know how to stop. It's so scary.
I want to see it. I haven't rode it in a while.
Don't go too crazy. Don't do anything crazy.
Start doing wheelies. Gabe, don't kill me. Gabe moved out, so slowly just taking stuff from him. Alright, I need it. You got a hammer or something?
No. Garage.
Air Force Ones are pretty sturdy.
Nice.
And we're on. Thanks. How could
That
Make it
was
lopsided
engagement,
like
yeah?
Yeah,
Is-
it was engaged.
No.
He's not gonna.
Let's hope Gabe doesn't watch our vlogs. Gabe, you don't need to watch this vlog. Look what she's doing.
Can I just rip it off?
What do you mean just rip it off? Remember these things? They're on the headlights. Look how much better that looks.
Before.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. She wants to work on her own car, but she's gonna break her nails.
Don't say that. That's so
I'm just saying.
Her nails done.
I'm just saying. She literally just got her nails done yesterday, so when can you take this off?
Okay. I can take it off.
Slow motion breaking nails right here. Dude, just tell me when you give up.
Okay, maybe you can start from that side. Way better.
So we're dropping it off to the paint shop today.
Really?
Yeah. Ricky said we can bring it by.
Later tonight.
Should be done in about 2 weeks. A little pro tip. I'll give everyone a pro tip.
Ja-ja.
Dude, McGuire's, you better sponsor me after this. I've bought so many bottles of this. I don't even know how much I've spent on these. So McGuire's, it's your shout out. I'll be emailing you shortly.
You have to hit him up for a sponsor.
Do a little of that.
Minutes and 30 seconds. Luke.
Whatever, dude. This
We'll
will
just
make it
put
10
that in.
This will make it 10 minutes.
It's like editception right now.
Yeah. Gonna have the vlog of editing the vlog. They're gonna watch this on YouTube. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Frick! Again! Frick, man! Those kids right there. They just took a selfie with Josh. How did that feel?
This guy has a camera.
Oh my god! How did that feel?
I'm putting along. Just hanging out, man.
Famous now?
No,
You have 80,000 subscribers now?
no, dude, that's weird.
That's so funny, dude. I didn't even catch it on film. Like, it was turning on.
Dude,
It
I
sucks.
was right there behind it.
Drums. Day 1.
New skills, day 2.
This is day 2?
Show them what you've learned.
Okay,
so
what
far.
have we learned so far? I've learned yeah, I learned that one.
And now, first this guitar.
And then what are we learning right now?
No,
Wait,
1
1
and 2
and
and
2 and
2 and snare.
oh, 1 and 2. Freaking talking numbers, man. This is hard. I only took geometry, man. Oh,
Yeah.
but together or
Yeah,
just
together.
okay?